Ocean acidification is a chemical change which occurs when there's excess carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide dissolves into ocean water and reacts with the ocean, which forms carbonic acid. When carbonic acid dissociates, it releases its hydrogen ions into the ocean, which causes an increase in acidity. Carbonate ions are slowly disappearing as the ocean's acidity is increasing.
Standing for the potential of hydrogen, pH is the guideline in chemistry that helps quantify the concentration of H+, aka hydrogen ion, to help determine the basicity or acidity of a substance. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, naturally occurring where the lower the number, the more acidic it is. In the context of the ocean acidification project, carbon dioxide is the main player and a key role, lowering the pH and making the neutral ocean water more acidic. This change endangers habitats, wildlife, and the overall ecosystem of our coral reefs.
Now, how will any small change in the pH affect the ecosystems, habitats, and wildlife of the coral reefs? To start, pH is a delicate balance in the ocean, and if it's far too acidic or far too basic, it might harm the coral's ability to grow, therefore affecting the entire environment. But how does this work? To start, if it's far too basic, the pH is far too out of range from the neutral water, therefore increasing the alkalinity of the water. What does this mean? This means it makes it harder for the coral reef to maintain their skeleton and build more. This is due to the lack of calcium bicarbonate, making it harder for the skeletal structure to remain and making it weaker and more susceptible to damage. Now, what if it's far too acidic? A similar thing will happen where it won't be able to grow its skeletal structure and it'll start weakening, but it's due to the overconsumption rather than underconsumption of calcium bicarbonate. This will weaken it and make it more susceptible to any damage. Overall, this will affect the diversity of the oceans as the more coral goes away, the less smaller fish there will be, meaning as it affects the food chain, the larger animals won't be able to be there, and eventually there won't be any habitats at all.